Hi friends, this video shows how to pay Jio Air Fiber bill using Amazon Pay Balance. Open this Amazon app. Tap on this Amazon app icon. Tap on this menu icon over here. Tap on Amazon Pay. Tap on Bills and Recharges. Tap here. Then go down. Tap on Mobile Postpaid. Tap here. Here you can enter the mobile number that you have registered with your Jio Air Fiber account. I already added that mobile number and added Jio Air Fiber biller here. Here you can see the mobile number of Jio Air Fiber. Tap on this biller. Here you can see Jio Air Fiber mobile number, customer name, bill due date, payable amount. Here you can see the amount. Tap on pay now. I am going to make this payment using Amazon Pay Balance. Select Amazon Pay Balance. Then tap on pay. Okay, done. This way we can pay Jio Air Fiber bill using Amazon and Amazon Pay Balance. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.